Hey guys, welcome back to Lots of Valley. Today we are doing stuff. So we done got all our Christmas decorations now, and it is the 2nd day of January 2023. Okay, gonna have to catch you back. Okay, we're back. So let's see. Hey kids, we're Vipers. Ooh. So, I need y'all to comment down below what y'all got for Christmas. We are going on a cruise, and don't worry, I'll make some videos for y'all. Now, where is EJ? Yeah, we're playing Last to Leave. EJ is, Okay, so guys, we're gonna have to get our supplies and do other stuff. My hair is a mess, yes, I know. I chose the swing, EJ chose the trampoline. Did you choose the hammock or the trampoline? Okay, bye. What? Yeah. Change of plans. EJ loves the sport too much. I'm choosing the hammock. Okay, we are back. We got some supplies. We don't need a whole lot because, you know. Oh, and we're going to go see Puss in Boots, the movie. Yeah. See you later. Hey guys, so we're back. And we are almost done decorating our things. We just have to get a couple more supplies just to check in. Okay, guys.
Hey, did y'all go get that blanket? Y'all need to go get that blanket up from down there.
Okay, so we had a change of plans. We gotta go feed our animals. So let's do it! Woo! Oh, and remember to leave a like on the video. We're finally here, guys, okay? Let's see. Woo, it's so loud. Can y'all hear me? Leave a like if you can hear me. And subscribe if you can't. Still subscribe. The kayak! The kayak is in water! So we're finally here. We have to pick up our stuff that EJ decided to leave down from. We had a picnic a couple days. Oh, guys, so I want to show you where I got stitches. Okay, I actually had about stitches like on my foot from like I don't know how long ago. I wonder if there's ants. Okay, so here EJ decided to leave me. These are ruined. So, okay. Put it down and just grab the blanket. Let's go. Grab the blanket. Okay. We're going to be a while, so see you guys later. Okay, we're back. It's been about an hour. And we are struggling. Gonna have to see y'all guys later. Bye. Okay, Vibers. Can y'all hear me? Leave a like and subscribe if you can't. Well, do the same thing. And, woo! It's windy! Oh! James! Hey, AJ, let's stop by the island! Catch you guys later! Hey guys, after about another hour, we have made it. Oh guys, y'all don't know about EJ finally losing a tooth, do you? EJ, smile. You got $20. Oh, the ducks are coming. Oh, where are they? So this is our island. We're checking on it. There's a little kayak in the water. Okay, let's see. The ducks are not scared. Gross. That's cold. So many ducks. Oh! Hopefully that won't go anywhere. Let's go. I'm soaked. Not really, just my pants. See you guys in a jiff. I apparently forgot my shoes at the pond that we just left. Literally. BJ decided to not pick them up. Again. Yeah, we're going to go feed them now. Woo! Okay, guys. So we're here. Let's say hey to our buddies that we haven't seen in a couple days. We got some hay. Hey, Roxy. That's you, Jace.
Hey, Kurt. Hey, Kurt.
Cuddles is mine.
Hey, Kurt.
Cuddles?
Kurt.
You're on camera.
Kurt.
I thought you liked being on camera. Well, there. Don't want to. Right now. Okay. Ida, get the bucket.
Here, Kurt.
Ida, get the bucket.
You get the bucket.
There's our turkey. I can't. Okay, so we're doing the weird things. Catch you back in the jiff. Ellie, peace. We're here at the feeding station with some hay. Hay. It's definitely more of rice. We got our worker. He works here. He's about 28 years old, and his name is Leon. And there's just some chaos going out and back, apparently. Leon, are we almost done? We got a tight schedule.
Alright, done.
Are you sure this is enough? Why is it all wet?
That's it's not getting too much.
Bye. We finally made it to Edwards Grove. If you can't hear me, I'll say it in a minute. There are the donkeys that we have. Oh, Jesus! This man's driving like a wild, crazy man. Oh, woo! I'm hanging on, guys. Are you? Hey, Gabriel. Joseph. Hey, Gabriel. No, they're hard to teleport anyways. Hold this. So, guys, we have to feed the animals. Come on.
Hey, it's Mercy.
Get used to it.
Elson Jane Taft.
I got some. I couldn't. Come on. Well, at least you got some. At least you got some of the food in. It's my turn to drive because this Leon Rover, his twin brother, Leon Rover. So yeah. See you in a jiff. Okay, we made it to the other pasture. It's peaceful. We just fed. It's a long day. We're gonna have to do a part 2. See you later.